Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Erin Dawson. I'm the DevRel Communications Manager at Oracle, and we are so close to CloudWorld this month, October 2022 in Las Vegas. And to celebrate that, to tease that, I'm speaking with my colleague, Bo English-Wiczling, our fearless and intrepid developer relations leader. Bo, how's it going? How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm well, and I'm also stoked because I know that you are thoroughly involved in Oracle Cloud World. You have your fingers in your hands in a lot of cloud pies, which is to me a key lime pie. I don't know. But one thing I'm really excited about and stoked about is what you're doing with the developer keynote. I hear that you're emceeing it, and this keynote is pretty full of a lot of variety. And I was wondering if you could just give us like a really top down overview of it without getting into too much detail because I understand there may be a surprise at the end. Take this how you want. What's going on with the developer keynote?
This is very true. There is a surprise at the end, but we're going to start with a introduction to the new Java 1. So the Java DevRel team leader, Shareth, is going to be joining us on stage to give a quick overview. And then we will have Naveen Arel, the CEO and founder of Mosaic ML. It's a startup that does AI ML performance tuning, modeling tuning. And then we're going to be having a amazing panel. I like to call it the panel of big brains because it's going to be the CTO of SailGP as well as the application development leader from Red Bull Racing. And they're going to be on stage to answer some questions that were come up by me, as well as some audience questions. And we're going to have a little game while they're on stage, as well as a surprise announcement at the end.
Okay. Wow. That is a teaser. Whatever could it be? That's really cool. You mentioned, one of the third thing during the keynote is going to be about how sports organizations rely on technology, and I've noticed that games do play a kind of big role at Oracle Cloud World, even down to during between sessions, attendees can play like foosball, but also cornhole. To me, that's what I call it. I think other areas of the country call it bag toss. I don't know. Um, anyways,
Where I spent 20 years in Minnesota, we call it cornhole. Okay.
it's canonically cornhole. Okay, cool. So just to close the loop on this teaser, Bo, what would you like developers to take away from Cloud World, just at a high level?
Yeah. Uh, so not only can development obviously be a lot of technical hands-on learning and tons of educational, sessions that you can get and thoughts and perspectives from maybe engineering leaders, but it's also kind of fun. Like, for example, not only are we going to have cornhole and ping pong and foosball and upright, Galaga machines, which I'm so looking forward to, by the way. But we're going to have Max Verstappen in our space to set a track time
Yeah.
on the FIA video game so that whoever wins or gets as close as possible gets some amazing prizes from Oracle Red Bull Racing Team. So we're talking like signed scale helmets and signed scale model F1 cars. And I'm wondering if it's going to be the RB18. I'm not sure, but it could be. Ooh, so exciting. But so there, it's going to be a smorgasbord of different things for developers. So if you want to really get your hands dirty and learn some technical things, you're going to be able to do that. If you want to just hang out and have a little bit of fun and unwind, you can also do that. And we are going to be sponsoring a Wednesday afternoon happy hour, as well as a swag station. So come get your Raspberry Pi cases
Hmm.
if you've got a Raspberry Pi.
Yeah, the swag I've seen some mock-ups of that. looks pretty tight. Really excited about that, but I'm also really excited about the happy hour. I'll chat about that with you offline. Okay, cool. Let's leave it there. Bo, thank you so much. Everyone, if you haven't registered for CloudWorld yet, I'll put a link in the description of this video. And until next time, see you later.